bored enough to sit here and watch iCarly all day?
Yeah!
Then you should go to Hume Lake Christian camps.
What's that?
You don't know what Hume Lake is? At Hume Lake, you can nail your friends in the face with a snowball.
Boo!
Oh, come on. Ken, that's Jack. You're just jealous because you can't dance like me. Whoops. Singer. Oh, come on. What? Oh, come on. Oh, no, you didn't. No. Oh, watch that. Look at that. Come on, Andrew.
You get to play broom ball.
Oh, let's go. Come on, big mouth. Go, Carl, go. Go, Andrew.
Taylor, I can't believe you lost. Oh, well, you did have Sean on your team. Loser.
Girls get to spend plenty of time with their friends.
So, Carly, who do you like?
Ew. Oh, you guys are ugly. Ew. Yeah. No one. He is pig-nosed and disgusting and hideous.
And even the guys have some quality time together.
Hey. What manly stuff you guys want to do now? Tickle fight!
Okay, but I don't get what all this has to do with church.
There's also awesome praise and worship. There's also a chance for you to grow in your relationship with God through intense Bible study and sermons. Last but not least, you have to go for the Boxcar Blitz.
Woo! Yeah! Snowing! Woo! Woo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Yeah!